Thanks for watching this episode of Full Strut. We're going to be giving away a bow-ready bow stand at the end of the season. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to enter into the giveaway. Check the description below for more about the giveaway and the official rules to enter in.
This is the first morel mushroom I've ever found. I can't even see it.
Pinch it off at the bottom. There you go. Yay! Yay for you.
Yeah. That was cool. I've never found one before. Oh my god.
Oh, that little guy to the right?
Yeah, there's one right
That's
there.
a big one.
There's another right there.
Here.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, there's ants in it.
That's alright, we can clean those out.
I just spit all over it. Oh, there's freaking another one. Good lord.
4?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh, she's on him. Watch out. She found the mother lode.
Apparently.
You know, every spring turkey season, I make sure I set aside some time to spend in the woods with my family. And this spring was definitely no different other than the decreased turkey population here in Missouri. You know, with the lower numbers around here, I was a little concerned about how many opportunities we all might have, but I'm always up for a good challenge.
Here he comes, Sheldon. Get your bow. Get your bow. Get ready. Get ready. Ready. Come up to the decoy. Get your crosshairs on him. Right in his chest. Alright. Got it. Got him. High five. He come up. He's flopping right there. He's dead right there. Way to go, Helen. Your first big tom.
We were all so excited that first trip out to see my stepmom make such a perfect shot on that big old gobbler. But with Missouri season only being 3 weeks long, we were going to waste no time to get back in the woods with my daughter.
Just popped up on Facebook. This was my very first turkey 11 years ago today.
See any down there?
That was so fast. That has never happened that quickly in the morning.
Holy cow.
I feel like it's always a late morning.
Yeah, we never get them that early, do we?
Yeah.
I've got a few that early, but very rare. Especially 2 of them come right out here.
That's that pair. There should be another single, I think, and a Jake somewhere, but I don't know.
High five. Nice, nice.
Shame they're not both laying dead out there.
I
But
know. Now I gotta go find him.
Hey, we can see.
It's daylight.
All right, let's go find this turkey. Get it? Turkey. Let's go find this turkey.
What?
You ever hear somebody say, let's go get that turkey? Like, not really a turkey, but like a person. But this is really a turkey. Okay, it was a dad joke.
Okay.
Not
Like,
that
I don't
funny.
get it.
Before your time. All right, let's go. You ready to go swimming?
No.
You're gonna have to swim that river.
Is there a bridge?
Is there a bridge? No, your turkey's on the other
Is
side,
there
though.
a tree falling across? Oh, I was gonna fall in.
Yeah, Papa, don't fall in, Dad. I don't want to have to rescue and go retrieve the turkey. So unfortunately, the bird did just what we didn't want it to do. It went across the river. I could go up, way up and around. It's like a good quarter mile, half mile back up, and then got to come all the way back down and around, and I could just go get him. So I think I'm just going to swim and get him.
Papa and I do not agree.
This is not going to be fun. Alright,
Do not do this.
I'm going to get down to my skibbies here.
Oh, that's cool. Whew. Folks, do not do this at home. Whew. Got him.
What do you think about that, Papa?
Insane. I thought I brought him up smarter than that. Evidently, he's got turkey brain on his turkey fever.
How was that, Dad? Nice morning swim.
But we got our bird. Oh, let's never do that again. Good shot. All right. Dad, you still got to get one.
Yep.
We're not done yet. Still got a week and a half. We'll get
maybe
one.
I can go to Nebraska. tackle on the 50.
Got him.
Thank you, Jesus. Whew, thank you, son.
You've been having a heck of a time, haven't you?
Oh, it's done now. Nice bird. Oh, that was the tackle.
Look at that big old gobbler. Hey, finally came together, didn't it?
Alexa, Andy, finally, me and Ty come this morning. They was hammering it this morning, and we had all these, out of all this pasture, these cows were back in this corner. I'm pleased. Thank God for this. It's just been a hard year for me. I've missed 4 birds.
Yeah, you've had a rough season at it so far. Kansas was not very kind. Missouri's been pretty tough on you too, but only a few days of season left and you got it done.
All right.
Way to go. Congrats, Dad.
Thank you, son.
Awesome.
What a blessed day. Beautiful morning, a little crisp this morning, but beautiful.
Spring is such an amazing time of year to be in the woods, watching everything come back to life. I've said it for many years now how much I love filming. It is just such a challenge, but so rewarding to be there and capture that moment of uncontrollable excitement. I absolutely love seeing that in the eyes and smiles of family and friends. I'm so thankful to God for putting us in the right place at the right time and getting to make such incredible memories.
I'm giving you 5 too, Dad.
Yes, yes. Don't try the fletching and the knockoff.
Maybe he's glowing.
Are you being my camera helper now?
Mm-hmm. Whatever needs to be done. Got to help the man that does the filming.
Doing a few cool shots here with the sun. You can drive while I sleep the whole way.
That's really nice since I don't really know completely where I'm going, so we could end up in Nebraska.
You might, Colorado, just keep driving.
Oh my God. I just made a bad shot, but it was a clean bad shot, so he's gone. I should have pulled out the 12 gauge and just stroked him down, but I want to get him with my bow. That's my purpose. I want to get him with my bow. So it's not him, but somebody else is going to pay the price for him. 30 now. Did I miss again? Give me my shotgun. We have action everywhere. It's crazy, it's crazy.